through how you can edit your documents or your contents with Google Docs. Okay, so let's say you have generated the content from ChatGPT or whichever AI tool you use. So you now want to edit it with Google Docs. So just follow me as I walk you through the process. And if this is your first time of coming across my video, please, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, and also like my videos so that anytime I drop updates, you'll be the first person to get. Okay. So the first thing we need to do is to go to Play Store, open your Play Store. So you want to then, if you don't have the application on your mobile device, you can search for Google Docs, Google Google Docs. So you are going to see two applications here, okay? Google Docs Reader and Google Docs. Do you understand? So download the second one. Don't download the first one. The first one is just for reading. Do you understand? So download the second one. I've already downloaded it. That's why you're seeing updates. So just download it on your own end. So you'll be seeing something like install, something like this. So you need to install it. Don't forget this second one, not the first one. Google Docs. Google Docs. This one that is showing installed. Google Docs. So once you're done installing it, just sign in. Do you understand? Try to open the app and sign in. For me, I've already signed in. So that's why you'll be seeing, okay, that's why you're seeing documents here. Do you understand? So once you open your own, just sign in. Okay, just sign in. So I'll open a new document. So this is how to once you sign in with your email, so you see plus icon at the bottom of the screen, you click on it. So you want to click on new docs file, new docs file. So once you tap on it, it will open. So let me walk you through uh all the all the buttons here so that when you're editing your content, you not get stuck. Okay, so look at the top of the screen, you will see different buttons there. Look at the top left corner, you see the undo button. This is the undo button. Let's say, let me paste. Good. So I've already copied this from somewhere, so I want to use it for this tutorial. Okay, so once you have your document here, so let's say you make mistake. Let me try to delete this one. Our journey was not a stand, so let me delete this thing. Delete this thing. So maybe you are now like, oh, I mistakenly deleted this thing, so how will I go back? So you need to click on this undo button. Can you see undo button? Just click on it, top left corner, which is undo button. So once you click on that arrow left button, it will undo it. Do you understand? So that's how to use the button. Arrow left for redo, sorry, for undo, then arrow right for redo. So that's how to make use of the button. So look at the center icon there, which is this A, this one that looks like A. So let me tap on it. So as you can see these features here, let me explain one by one. So as you can see, text format, this is a format icon. Okay, this one I just click is a format icon. So these are the things under the format icon. We have our text here. So as you can see here, if I highlight anything, let me try to highlight something. So if I highlight anything here and I click on that format icon, which is this A, so it will highlight it as what, as normal text. Do you understand? So let's say you are now you are designing you are editing your document, so you want to put it in heading 1, because once you set your text in heading 1, once you set it in heading 1, so that when you are when you're inputting your table of contents, if anybody click on that link, because it's going to be a link, do you understand? Once you create your table of contents and if anyone click on that link, so it will take them directly to where the document is, where the information is inside the document. Do you understand? So that is what this heading 1. Can you see now? When I click on this arrow down at the front of that normal text, you see something like title, subtitle, heading 1, heading 2, 3, Do you understand? Let's say I put it in heading one now. So it's on. It's because if I want to, let's say I want to create my table of contents now. So if I add it under my table of content, if everybody click on it, it will take them to the page where this information is. Do you understand? So let me click on that redo button. So good. So let's say you now when you are editing your document, you want to put it in print layout. You want to put it in just like when you are browsing on your Chrome, and you want to put it in desktop side so that you'll be able to view all the things there. You'll be able to see it well. So look at the top right corner of the screen. I tap on it, then click on this print layout. Can you see? So it will expand the document so that you'll be able to edit whatever you want to do. So now let me move to the okay. Let me still click on that format icon. So I've explained this one with you, which is the text, which is the text icon. We have our title, subtitle, heading one, heading two, heading three. So look at this one here. This one is for fonts. Do you understand? Let's say you want to change to, let me highlight a text. Good. So now let's say you want to change the font. Let me highlight more text like the whole paragraph. So now let's say you want to change the fonts. It's in area already. So you want to change it to Gorgia. You want to change it to any font you like, or you want to change it to Times News Roman. Times News Roman. Can you see? So this is where you change your font. This is where you change your font. And if you want to increase the size, it's in 11 already, you want to increase it to like maybe 14 or 12, you click on this plus icon here. If you want to decrease it, you click on this negative sign here. So let's say you want to bold it, you click on this B. Okay, can you see the text is bold already? So you want to put it in slant form or in italics. So you click on this eye icon, it will put it in italic. Can you see now? Let me zoom in so that you can see. Can you see? So this is very simple. So let me explain this third one. This one is for maybe you want to underline your words. Do you understand? So let me click on it. It will underline it. Can you see now? It will underline it. So let's say you want to strike through. This one is for strike through. So once you click on it, it will strike through it. Then so let me remove it from this. Good. So unless if you have, let's say you put it in bold text and you want to remove it from bold text, click on that B again. Okay, it will remove it. So let's say you want to give it a background, click on this highlights, you give it black highlights, then you click on this arrow, click on this text image, then you click on white. So this is how to give your text a background. Okay, this is how to give your text background. So let me zoom in so I can see. So this is what I'm talking about. So let me move on. So let's say you want to center your text. This is how to center it. Click on this button here, this button you are seeing. So that's the center align button. So this is left align. As you can see, this is left align, this is the right alignment. Can you see? Can you see how it looks like? So let me zoom it well so I can see. That is left. You can also access it here. You can access it here. So let's say you want to justify your text. So this is it. Justify it like this. So this is the justify button, left alignment, sorry, right alignment, center alignment, and left align. So I believe you understand this. It's very simple. So let me click on that format icon again. So I've explained all of that. So let's say you want to put your you want to give your maybe it's a list. Do you understand? Let's say it's a list and you want to put it in a bullet point. So this is how to put it. This is the bullet point here. Click on it. It's a bullet list it. The bullet list it. So this let me do it practically so that you can understand. So let me click on the undo button. Good. So let's say Let me quickly type it. Let's say I have something here like rice, beans, potatoes, yam. So let's say you want to bullet list it, highlight everything. You will need to highlight everything. Click on this format icon, that A icon at the top. Then click on this bullet list. It will bullet list it. Can you see what I'm saying? So it's very simple. It's very simple. So, and if you want to, let's say you want to put it in, okay, click on it again. Let's say you want to put it in, you want to number it. You can just click on this number icon here. Can you see? It will number it. Or let's say you want to give it another format or style, anyone you call it. So you can access it here, right here. Can you see? So that's how to go about this. It's very simple. It's very simple. So let me check if we still have, okay. So let's say you are uh when you copy your content from ChatGPT and you paste it here, you want to start editing. So you need to give your you need to highlight all your text, right? You need to highlight all your text and give it this font, any font you like, maybe Gorgia or Times New Roman. So let me give it Times New Roman as my font, and I want to give it a space, okay, a line spacing of what, of 1.5. Click on this plus icon, 1.5. Can you see now? So it will make your text look bold. Do you understand? So good. I think we are done with this icon here, which is the format icon. So now let's say you want to, okay, now let's say you want to set up your page. Okay, you want to set up your page to A5, because if you are doing 6:9 book, I always advise, it's not even a matter of advice, because that is what you are going to choose automatically. If you are doing 6:9 book, you need to come at the top right corner of the screen, then you click on this page setup. Okay, click on page setup, then click on this paper size. Look for A5 paper, which is this. If you are writing cookbook, which is 8.5 by 11, the first one here, which is letter, that is what you use as your paper. Okay, but if you are doing 6:9 book, click on this A5 paper. So once you click on it, click on this arrow left. So still go back. So as you can see, our page has changed. So our page has changed. So let's say you now want to give a page break. Do you understand? So you place your cursor, place it here where you want to give the page break. Okay, so you place it there, then you click on this plus icon at the top of the screen, click on it, then you scroll down, you see page break. It will take you to another page. Can you see? Immediately I clicked on it, it took me to another page. So that's how to do your page break. So what else? So if you want to insert numbers, to your document. So this is how to do it. Click on this plus icon at the top of the screen again. You see page number. Click on it. I always do this one, this second to the last one. Click on it. So it will number your page. It's number your document. Sorry. So it will number your document. So that's how to go about that. So now let's say you want to import image. Let's say I want to import image. I'll click on that plus icon. I'll click on image. I'll click on from photos. Then I will select my image. I'll select my image. Can you see? Good. So now let's say you want to uh you want to insert an horizontal line, which is this. You click on it, it will insert it. Do you understand? So you can just navigate your way around all these things. Very, very simple. Very simple. So what else? What else? So so okay. So now let's say you want to check for spelling errors. Okay, so this is how to go about it. Just click on this icon at the top right corner, then you click on this spell check. Okay, as you can see, no spelling error. That's why you're seeing this. Let's say there is, let me make an error here. Let me make an error. So I will try to do that again. I'll take the process again. Click on the top right corner, then click on spell check. It will detect that one. Can you see? So it asks me to change it, accept. You click on accept, it will change it to the normal word. Okay, so what else? So now let's say you want to let's say you want to import your table of contents. You want to put your table of contents. So let's say you have typed it here, table of contents, table of contents. Let me give it a page break. You already know how to do that. And this one, page break. So now let's say you want to give it a table of contents. You know, you when don't worry, we are still going to do a comprehensive video uh on how to edit with this Google Docs. So by that time we'll have generated our title and all those things. So I'll be doing it, so like I'll do it from scratch till the end so that you fully understand it. The aim of this video is just to show you uh how to edit with Google Docs. Okay. So let's say you want to import your table of contents now. So you place your cursor where you want to put it. Okay. So which is at the top left corner of that page here. Put it here, put it somewhere here, then click on that plus icon, you click on link. But before you do that, you must have, let's say this is your chapter 1. Let's say this is your introduction. Let me put introduction. Then let me put it in page break. So let me put chapter 1 page break. Good. So let's say before you can put you can include your introduction in the table of content. You need to select click on this plus this which is the format icon. um you need to click on it and select your text to heading 1. Put it in heading 1. So you want to change the font because it will automatically change the font. Select your font, which is maybe Times New Roman or Gorgia, anyone you're using. Then you reduce the font to 14. 14 is okay. You bold it and you put it in center alignment. It's okay like this. Do you understand? So now your chapter 1, the same thing. You click on that AI icon at the top, put it in heading 1. Then this you put it in Gorgia. Then you select 14 as your font and bold it. You put it in center alignment. So now let's say you want to do your table of contents. This is how to import it. Once you place the cursor where you want to import your table of contents, so you click on that. You click on this plus icon at the top. Click on link. Click on these headings. Then click on introduction. As you can see, when I have not set my introduction as normal text, it will not show under here. Once you click on this link and these headings, it will not show under here. The reason why it's showing under here is because you have already put the text under headings. Where are the headings? Let me select this. So these are the headings. These are the headings here. Heading 1, heading 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's how to. So what else? So let me click on the top right corner of the screen. So let's say you want to check for word counts. Let's say you want to check for word counts. You are light, click on the top right corner. This is word count. You will see the information here. Okay. So now let's say you are done. But before I do that, let's say you are done creating your book. You are done editing. Now you want to save your content. Let's say the title of your book. You want to save your book. Let's say the title is, let me just write it somewhere here. How to cure cancer disease. How to cure cancer disease. This is your title, right? So let's say you want to save the document. Just copy it. Once you copy it, click on the top right corner of the screen. Click on this Untitled Documents. Then paste it here. Click on OK. Good. So now let's say you are done writing your book. You are done doing the editing and everything. Let's say you want to export your document now. So just click at the top right corner of the screen here. Then you will see share and export. Click on it, then click on save as. So now I want to save it as what? As docs. Okay, Word docs. It's already selected. Don't touch it, just leave it like that, then click on OK. It will save it to so it will save it. Just I wanted to save it as Word docs first. Do you understand? Before downloading it. So good. So once you are done, this is it. This is the Word document and this is the PDF format. Okay, so this is how to download it. Click on this. As you can see under this document, this how to cure cancer disease. Under the you see something like three dotted line. Click on it. Click on download. It will download it to your mobile device. So this is how to edit with Google Docs. I believe this video is explanatory enough. In case you want to reach out to me, maybe you have one or two questions, I will drop my WhatsApp link at the description section or the comment section. Just check it out and reach out to me. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like this video so that other people can see. Just make sure you share it to other people, okay, so that they can see it and also watch some other helpful videos in my YouTube channel. So see you in my next video and bye for now.